Dabra, Uttara Russian lovers, selamat pagi Russian lovers. Today I'm going to make no-knead sandwich bread. Jadi pagi ini saya akan membuat roti sandwich tanpa ulen. Bahan-bahannya for the ingredients I prepare already 630 gram of high protein flour or bread flour. Ini ada 630 gram tepung protein tinggi, khusus untuk roti ya. And then 350 gram of lukewarm milk, 350 gram susu anget, 2 eggs. Actually this egg should be 102 gram, but I don't have any kind of egg anymore, just this one norm egg. Jadi 2 butir telur, harusnya kalau ditimbang itu 102 gram, tapi ini lebih dari 102 gram ya, karena ini aja yang saya punya. And for this sandwich we need this special pan, loaf pan like this one that has lid. Ada tutupnya seperti ini ya. Maybe my bread is not enough for this sandwich bread, but it's okay, I will use another loaf pan. Jadi mungkin ini nggak akan cukup karena ini nanti bulatannya itu jadi 4, because the end of the result it should be 4 pieces of sandwich bread. Jadi ada 4 dough, jadi ada 4 bulatan rotinya itu. Mungkin ini nggak cukup, nggak apa-apa, nanti kita akan pakai loyang yang lain yang nggak ada tutupnya. Oke, kemudian apa lagi ya, 65 gram of sugar, 65 gram gula pasir, 12 gram of salt, 12 gram garam, 65 gram of butter that already melted. This is unsalted butter. Ini 65 gram butter tawar yang udah saya cairkan. Kemudian 12 gram ragi kering, 12 gram of dry yeast. I use this one, soft moment. That's all. Okay, so first of all, you have to, I'm going to wait this until not so hot anymore, this one. Okay, later we are going to mix milk, eggs, sugar, salt, and dry yeast by using whisk. Jadi kita akan campurkan susu, telur, gula, garam, sama ragi pakai balon whisk. Baru nanti kita tuang. After that we are going to pour all this liquid into this, what do you call this one? Flour. Nanti akan kita pakai ini, oke? Put milk, warm milk, egg, sugar, salt, and dry yeast. Whisk. Ini sudah saya masukkan susu anget tadi ya, telur, gula, garam, ragi. Nah, sesudah tercampur rata, I've already mix all. Then you put this melted butter. Baru kasih melted butter tadi ya, butter cair tadi. Baru diaduk. Then you mix. Then you put into this flour. Dan baru masukkan di tepung. Okay, then you mix all together until unite. After that you may cover. You have to cover and let it rest for 20 minutes. Setelah tercampur semua rata, baru nanti diserahkan, ditutup ya di suhu ruang selama 20 menit. In room temperature, cover for and let it rest for 20 minutes. Okay, then cover. Let it in room temperature for 20 minutes. Kita tutup, kemudian diamkan selama 20 menit di suhu ruang. Already 20 minutes, sudah 20 menit. Now we are going to fold it, this dough 10 times. And then let it rest again in room temperature for 20 minutes. Nah, ini sesudah 20 menit. Nah, ini baru kita lipat adonan selama 10 kali ya. Kemudian baru kita tutup lagi, baru kita diamkan di suhu ruang. Pakai ini aja lah ngelipatnya. Selama 20 menit. Kayak gini. Ya kayak gini biasa ya. Kayak gini lipat. You can use your hand like this one. Already folded by my hand around 10 times, maybe more, 12 maybe. Nah, this one cover and then let it rest for 20 minutes. Kemudian kita istirahatkan lagi selama 20 menit. 20 menit, ini sudah 20 menit. Now we are going to fold it again, this dough, for 5 times. Then after that we let it rest in room temperature for 40 minutes. Ini sesudah 20 menit, kita lipat lagi adonannya sebanyak 5 kali. Baru ditutup dan diistirahatkan selama 40 menit. You can use like this one. Then fold it like you fold envelope. I already give you how to fold the dough. Saya pernah kasih lihat caranya di resep saya yang lainnya. Di resep roti yang saya pernah bagikan. Ini ya. Fold it kayak gini. Like this. But you can use your hand. Nah, like this. Fold it like this. Lipat. Fold. Okay. For 5 times sama. Sebanyak 5 kali. So here, until you can fold it more than 5 times is okay, until you think that your dough already smooth on the surface. Jadi lipatnya boleh lebih daripada 5 kali sampai dia permukaannya mulus. Ini kayaknya udah mulus. Karena semakin dia mulus, makin lembut nanti rotinya ya. Okay, we cover and let it rest for 40 minutes. Kita tutup adonannya sampai 40 menit di suhu ruang in room temperature. 40 menit, look, it's very awesome. Ini ya. Nah, sekarang tinggal kita tonjok. Pung, like that. Okay. To remove the gas. After that, we put into cutting board, any kind of board you have, and we will divide this into 4 same dough. Nah, kalau dari tonjok-tonjok ini kita pindahkan adonannya ini ke talenan, baru dibagi 4. Okay. Here I already make a bowl, so each of them is 300 grams. Jadi setiap adonan ini per adonan itu 300 gram. So we will cover and let it rest for 15 minutes. Kita akan tutup, istirahatkan selama 15 menit. 15 minutes, sudah 15 menit. We are going to take one dough here. We are going to fold it like usual. Take one. Ini ambil dari yang ini. On top. There. Ayo. Tong. Yang kita kayak gini. Buang gasnya, remove gas, and then using this, make it like this. Balik. Kan enggak? Jadi nggak perlu yang di samping-samping juga ya, cukup. Setidaknya gitu instruksinya. Okay, now we are for it. Kita kan lipat kayak lipat amplop. Nanti kita akan gulung menjadi 3. After this, we are going to roll for 3 times. Kita buang gasnya. Balikan. Oops. Dah. Kenapa nih ada teman-teman? Oke, sekarang kita akan lipat 3. One, like this one, like this. Lipat ke dalam, kunci, lock this one. Itu seterusnya sampai ujung. So forth, like the same until the end, until the edge of this bread, sampai ujung roti. And then just pinch like this to lock this one, make it same. Buat jadi sama ya, seperti ini. kunci, jangan sampai dia lepas. Kalau dia terlepas susah. Baru nanti yang di ininya ini, this is you put at the bottom. Yang ini baru taruh di bottom seperti ini. Rapikan, make it smooth, and then put into here, dan letakkan di sini. Okay, it's enough for 3 actually, maybe 2. So next time, if with this recipe, try to make it 2 around 3 and make it bigger, so it will fit to your loaf pan, because my loaf pan is not so big. So another remaining of this one, I'm going to make my own favorite bread with chocolate. This one with orange chocolate, dengan coklat orange ya. Ini untuk saya roti manisnya. Saya akan buat jadi roti manis, roti tawar manis di loyang yang lain. Okay. So now we are going to let it rest for 50 minutes. Selama 50 menit kita istirahatkan, ditutup. Okay. Baru nanti after 50 minutes we are going to use this lid. Jadi kalau sesudah 50 menit udah mengembang, baru kita tutup. Okay. The remaining I put chocolate, like this one. Nah, baru nanti digiles. Misalkan yang seperti ini. Sama ya, jadi kayak gini. Since it won't use the cover for this one, you should use what do you call that one, to make it beautiful. Milk with egg yolk. Jadi karena dia nggak pakai nggak pakai tutup, jadi dia harus dipoles di atasnya, kuning telur sama susu, udah gitu aja. Oke. Make it 1, 2. Sampai dia menggulung. Oke. Ready. Done. Somehow I cannot use a cover, so I'm going to let just like that. How? I cannot cover, it's too big. Okay, so this one is chocolate one. This one is chocolate, but this one somehow agak ke dalam dianya. That's okay. Nah ini kan karena dia nggak pakai tutup, because I don't put cover, so I'm going to use this one. Egg yolk, milk, and also oil. Karena dia nggak pakai tutup, saya gunakan polesan di atasnya. Jadi kuning telur, susu, sama minyak. Oke. Okay, we will bake in 160 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Kita akan panggang selama 40 menit suhu 160 derajat. Okay. This is the result of my sandwich bread. Very big. So awesome. This one for me. Jadi ini cukup. Jadi kayaknya ini kebanyakan. Bukan kebanyakan, loyangnya nggak cukup. Okay, so but see, very soft, very moist, is very awesome. Okay, I'm going to put it into this cooling rack first. Baru nanti after that, after tomorrow, after today, we will cut it. We will cut the bread. Jadi ini bisa dipotong besok ya, jadi supaya mantap dia tuh kayak gini loh. See, it's very awesome. If it can be put into lid, it is very good. So it is not. I make it less than 2 minutes, because it's already well good here, already brown. Overall, it's very good. It smells is very awesome. Wanginya wangi banget. Okay, so I think this is it, the result of my sandwich bread. And with this one is for me, it is chocolate. Chocolate with, this is raisin. Atasnya itu kismis, intinya coklat ya. Wah, enak banget loh. Tuh sampai keluar danya coklatnya. This will see how beautiful this, ini sangat oke banget. Yang sebelah satunya agak kurang ini ya, yang di sini masih pucat. Tapi masih enak. Apa-apa lah. It's okay. So you should try this at home. I think it's very awesome. I will try to find another sandwich bread recipe. Saya akan cari lagi resep lainnya yang kira-kira fit dengan loyang saya, yang that's suitable with my loaf pan here. Okay, I think that's all for today's recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to press notification button so you never miss our update video. Jadi jangan lupa untuk berlangganan, kemudian di-share, di-like, di-komen, dan ditekan tombol notifikasinya supaya kamu gak ketinggalan video-video kami selanjutnya. That's Stretchy Resen Lovers. Sampai jumpa lagi Resen Lovers. Baka-baka. This is the result of my loaf bread. Yeah, good. Very good. So it's very good. Very good. Okay, so this is for my husband breakfast. Ini untuk sarapan suami saya, oke? Patut dicoba. Jadi seperti ini ya. Okay, so like this. Try this is very awesome.